Stop using Excel for everything. Seriously, if you are fighting with the VLOOKUPs, your files keep crashing, or you spend hours every Monday updating the same reports over and over again, this tutorial is for you. Welcome to the Complete Power BI Masterclass here on iGeekHacks. In this series, we're going to take you from I've never opened Power BI before to building professional automated dashboards that update themselves. So, what is Power BI? In this first lesson, we need to clear something up straight away. Power BI is not just one tool. The easiest way to think about Power BI is as a three-part engine, with each part doing a different job. Part 1 is Power BI Desktop. This is a free application that you install on your computer. Think of this as the kitchen. This is where you connect to your data, clean and shape it, build calculations, create charts and reports. This is where all the real work happens. Part 2 is the Power BI service. This is the online cloud-based version of Power BI. Once you have finished building your report in desktop, this is where you publish it. It's how you share reports with your boss or team, create dashboards, control access to your data. If desktop is the kitchen, this is where you serve the meal. Part 3 is the Power BI mobile app. This allows users to view and interact with reports on their phones or tablet. Perfect for checking numbers on the go. What we'll focus on this tutorial? For the first half of this course, we're going to spend almost all of our time in Power BI Desktop. That's where you learn the skills that actually matter. If you are coming from Excel, don't worry, Power BI will feel familiar, but much more powerful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.